In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable, turn off, or mute the microphone in Windows 11 or in your Windows 10. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. The first thing you need to do is to go ahead, open up the search menu, and now just type in Device Manager, as you can see. After you do that, just go ahead, click on Open, as you can see. Now this Device Manager window will pop up through you. Now go ahead, click on the arrow right beside Audio Inputs and Outputs, right-click on the microphone. And just go ahead, click on the second option, which is Disable Device. Now just click on it, this window will pop up. Click on Yes if you want to disable this microphone. So that was how to disable, turn off, or mute the microphone in Windows 11 or Windows 10. As always, thank you for watching.